Hi everyone, Emmy is here. I'm gonna show you how to make simply roasted pumpkin seeds. In my previous vlog in carving a pumpkin, I was able to collect a lot of seeds that we're gonna use for our today's recipe. Now let's get started. First, let's clean the pumpkin seeds by taking off all the membrane and just leave the seeds. Rinse well and drain. In 3 cups of pumpkin seeds, depending on your taste, put half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix together, set aside for half an hour or so until the seeds are relatively dry. Preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a baking sheet. Use a canola oil or whatever you have and spray on it. Pour the dried pumpkin seeds and spread it evenly on the baking sheet. Now roast it for 10 minutes. After a while, take it out, check, mix, and put it back again in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now that it is golden brown, take it out. You can smell the aroma of the pumpkin seeds. Leave it to cool down until it is ready for tasting. Like watermelon seeds or butong pakwan in Tagalog, and also other kinds of nuts, pumpkin seeds is also rich in protein, zinc, and magnesium, and also antioxidant. So guys, here is our roasted pumpkin seed. Oh, it smells so good. Let's taste. Oh, it is crunchy and easy to open up. You hear that? It popped. You can have it while watching TV, or you can take it with you to work. So try it, guys. It's so easy, so simple, and yet so tasty. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to click subscribe and the bell notification for more videos. I'll see you again, and have a great day. Goodbye.